welcome to Law Seekho. Let's talk about the top 10 news development of the day under 2 minutes for judiciary aspirants. Let's start by having a look at the national news first. So first of all, we talk about the Adani Hindenburg issue. Please understand the Supreme Court has recently refused to entertain a review petition challenging its Jan 3rd order and verdict, refusing to constitute an SIT or an expert committee into this entire matter. The Supreme Court back in Jan also held that an investigation report which is prepared by a third-party agency, for instance Hindenburg Research Project, it is not a conclusive proof. Now we talk about the largest and the longest urban tunnel of our country. So Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi, he has laid foundation stone for the 16,000 crore project called the Thane-Boroli Twin Tunnel Project. It is likely to reduce the travel time by 1 hour. Next, we talk about an amendment which is likely to be proposed by the government via a bill in the budget session to the Insurance Act of 1938. This is done or intended to be done with the aim of realizing the project and target of having insurance for all by 2047. Next is an update in the sports category for the day. So Sabira Harris, she has secured a bronze medal for India at the ISSF Junior World Cup. The silver medal, it is bagged by Italy, and the top position, that is the gold medal, it is secured by the US. Now let's talk about the international news development of the day. Let's start with the US. Donald Trump, who's the former US president, he has officially been nominated and sent as a Republican candidate for the US general elections. Philippines is chosen to host the UN Climate Fund Board. Vietnam has retained its position for the 4th consecutive year for being the most affordable country for expats in the year 2024. अगर हम इंडिया की बात करें तो India is at the 6th position. Now let's talk about the flood situation in Afghanistan and particularly the Nangarhar province of Afghanistan. 36 people so far they have died while 250 around are injured. Now let's talk about the important days. The important day concerned here is 15th of July, which is celebrated as the Youth Skill Day. This is celebrated to commemorate the importance of vocational, educational, professional and training of youth and skills. And the theme for this year is Skills for Peace and Development. So that's all we have for the day. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.